Is Scoopz the next big thing for real creators, or just another overhyped app with pretty promises? Let's find out. Scoops.com claims to be a platform for authentic creators to share unfiltered stories and connect with real people in a raw, transparent way. No fake filters, no influencer drama. At first glance, it looks impressive. The app holds a solid 4.5-star rating on the Play Store with over 80,000 reviews and more than 5 million downloads. On the App Store, it scores even higher with 4.8 stars, ranking number 11 in the entertainment category and earning over 34,000 reviews. That's not small talk, it's real traction. The company even provides full contact details: email, phone, and physical address, which adds a layer of trust most shady apps don't bother with. Their social media game is strong too, with over 30,000 followers on Facebook and 120,000 on Instagram, actively engaging with their community. Users praise the platform for promoting genuine, real-world content that feels refreshingly different from the usual TikTok or Instagram trends. But when you look closer, cracks begin to show. Many users on the Play Store have complained about glitches, repetitive clips, limited features, and the app freezing or crashing during uploads. Some mention frustration over the lack of a comment section, no history view, and no option to edit interests once set, making the user experience feel restricted and unfinished. While Scoopz markets itself as the future of real social media, it still has a long way to go in delivering a smooth, complete experience. So, is Scoopz legit? Yes, it's a real platform with genuine potential and an active audience, but it's not perfect. Think of it as a creative community still in its early growth stage, worth exploring, but not yet the game changer it claims to be.